Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. All right, I'm back, guys. Do me a favor real quick. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, I'm back real quick with Impact Mailing Club. You've probably seen me talk about this for a few months now. Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail company, okay, that sells leads. Let me show you what they look like. Don't want to reveal the information. These are leads, guys. They come on peel and stick labels. Or you may get your package, depending on which package you get, the company may email them to you and then you put them on these labels, okay? So these are exclusive to me. When the company sells you leads, they're exclusive to you. They're not sold over and over to different people. These are my exclusive leads, okay? So what happens is they give you your letter, okay, that has all the different lead packages on it that I'm qualified for. I'm at the diamond level, so I'm qualified at all 4 levels that's here, okay? Yours may be different. Depends on what level you come in at. Either way, this is your letter. When someone gets your letter in the mail and they purchases one of these lead packages, they actually pay you your commission. That's how we're paid. We're paid for selling leads, okay? And then you become a lead affiliate. So you're able to resell that same lead package that you purchased, okay? In turn, you get a commission for doing that. That's all this is, selling leads. One thing about it though, leads are a hot commodity. They're always gonna be here. They're always gonna be needed because everybody that's an entrepreneur that has a business out there, they need to get people in front of it. They need people to see what they have to offer. Okay, so this is the best tool that you can have, is leads and selling them. Good leads, by the way. The company pays to have these USPS-Verified, which means you're gonna get less returns, okay? I'm not saying none of them are not gonna be returned. They're gonna be minimized though, okay? Because they paid for that service, okay? So, get in, pick a package. You're going to sell your leads. You're going to mail this out. When people buy one of the lead packages from you, from your letter, they will pay you directly, okay? That's it. It's really simple. So if you're looking for a home-based business, you don't want to have to deal with the internet. If you can just put a letter in an envelope and put the lead labels on there and drop them in the mail and just let the system do the selling and telling for you, okay? You don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to convince people. Just mail your letters. You have to be consistent, though, guys. None of this is going to happen overnight. Just make up in your mind you're going to do it. You're going to be committed to it. Period. Okay? With that being said, real quick, I want to show you some updates that I got. Okay? Some results that I have. I'm sorry. I'm trying to read some things here on my phone. Okay, now let me show you. I've got these 3 packages really quick. Okay, people are really interested in this. By the way, we have a promotion. This is the last week for the promotion. It ends Friday, so you definitely want to take advantage of it. I've put a link below with the promo details. Okay, it ends Friday. Jump in, get started. Okay, so let me just show you these real quick. All right, let's start with this one. And I've spoken to all these people. That's how I know what it is. We've got Sheila from Michigan. Okay, she joined. Welcome aboard, Sheila. I can't remember what level she's at, but this is going to tell me. Okay, so let's see what we got from Sheila. Sheila joined at, and this is the form she had to fill out. Let me fold it down. Okay, because what happens is when people join you, they fill out the form, your order form, and they tell you what level they're going to join at. The Emerald, okay? She's at the Emerald level. Awesome, which means that I would make $65. My sponsor makes $20. Okay, that's the other thing about this program. It's 2 tiers. So every time your team gets paid, you get paid, okay? So this gives you leverage. You make more money with this type of opportunity, okay? So the Emerald, all right? That comes with a book of stamps. She has to send me a book of stamps. And she has to send me my commission of 65 bucks. There it is, okay? Welcome, Sheila. I'll be sending out my leads, and I'm matching the leads too, guys. Whatever the company sends you, whatever you join at, I'm going to match those leads. So I actually mail my leads out unless you request me to email them to you. Some people like them emailed. I can do that too. Just let me know, okay? Next up is Rashimi, I think I'm pronouncing it right, Rashimi, out of New York. Okay, I spoke to her as well. Okay, Rashimi. Okay, alrighty, let's see what we got in this one. Let's see. Alright, this one's 65 also. Let me fold this down so I don't show anybody's information. Right here it says Emerald, okay? And I get a book of stamps, and I get $65. There it is, okay? So, that's that one. Okay? And then I spoke to this young lady, Kwanda. She's out of Texas. By the way, Kwanda is a graphic designer. She's an entrepreneur already. She has her own business. And she took advantage of the promo, guys. That's what I'm telling you. So she's a graphic designer, and actually she made a graphic design for me for Press One. So I'm going to put her information below if you're looking for a graphic designer. And I'll put it on my community tab too, so that you can see what work she did, okay? Let's see here, what is she sending me? Okay. Let's see what we got first. Okay, she joined at the Sapphire level, okay, because she's taking advantage of the promotion, but she's going to automatically be upgraded to the Diamond. That's what I'm telling you. Now she's going to be able to be qualified to get the $1,000 commissions and sell that lead packet. Makes a difference, guys. You got till Friday. You need to get it in. If you want to pay electronically, reach out to me. I will accept electronic payments as well. Okay? Okay. So that earns me $300. Thank you, Kwanda. Okay. So she came into the Sapphire. Okay. That earns me $300. And she gets 400 leads with this. Then I'm going to match that. I'm going to match every level. Okay. And that earns me 300 bucks. And it earns my sponsor $100. My sponsor got paid, okay? I'm the one that spoke to Kwanda, okay? But she still got paid. So this is the program you want to get in with the 2 tiers. Every time your team makes money, you make money. So we got the 300, okay? And the 2 payments for $65. Not to mention, I got my stamps, okay? So I'm going to use those stamps to mail out more letters, okay? That's how that works, to mail out more letters, okay? And here's my other stamps. So I have all these stamps now that I'm going to use. I got my commission. I got my stamps, okay? Each person has to send you your commission. And then they also send you stamps, and it states that on the letter, okay? So I've got these stamps, and I've got commissions. So this is how you end up getting stamps, guys. When people join, they buy the packages. They also make the payment. They send the stamps in, too, okay? So get with me. Get in this program, Impact Mailing Club. I'm going to give you a custom cover letter. I have resources for I have resources for a custom envelope. And then I have a sales funnel for those of you who want to market this online. It's not required. You don't have to do this online, guys. You can strictly just be offline, okay? Just mail this letter out. People are interested in something simple nowadays. They don't want to be, want anything complicated. And that's okay. Online marketing, I love that as well. The internet. But some people just want something simple. This is as simple as you can get. Okay, I even have a company that can fold these letters up for you so you don't have to do that. They come folded, then all you have to do is take it out of the little insert they give you, put this in an envelope, put a stamp on it, put your label on it, and mail it. They're already folded. Okay, so I have that resource as well. I've been doing offline marketing successfully since 2013, guys. Even when I was in corporate America, I was doing this business, not this company, but this type of business, direct mail, and it definitely works, okay? All right, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell, okay? So you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Oh, and I forgot to show you these two, okay? I haven't even opened it. I've got these two, okay? GPS Club Cash Fund. That's a low ticket direct mail, but it works as well. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the link below. But if you're looking for the higher ticket, Impact Mailing Club, and then I also have a postcard program, the Tycoon. You probably seen me talk about that. This program, the postcarddiva.com, it pays $300 per sale. It comes with 250 postcards just like this. See how glossy it is? And it comes with 250 leads. If you're interested in just mailing, this doesn't have any levels with it, but it's a great program. And on every 5th sale you get with this, the company tells you right here, they're going to send you 500 leads, 500 stamps, and 500 postcards. Every time you make 5 sales, over and over and over for life, okay? So, that's it. I have everything covered. So doesn't matter where you are out there, what your budget is, we've got something for you, okay? With Impact Mailing Club, you can get in as low as $100, but I recommend you come higher because you can make more money selling those leads, all right? All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I look forward to working with you. Check the links below, get the details on the promo, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.